Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. How to get the list of the BO stocks, bracket order stocks, which are used in Zerodha for intraday trading, where we get a leverage. So let's see the trick. I'm just going into Google and finding the Zerodha margin page where we can see the BO and CO. So from equity, so this is a list, right? So these are the scripts. So what we need this in some place. We need to download from somewhere. So for that, what we need um, Notepad plus and Excel file. These two softwares which are freely available. We need to use them to get this. So here, right, we need to go to in this page, view the page source, where the HTML code will be written. So just go down and find those stocks names you will get in the script. Yeah, from EQ. So just keep copying till down. So just follow me. I'm just going down to copy the all the stocks. So till future, from here future list starts. So copy this and have this in Notepad. So paste it. So you will get in a single line. So now we need to create new line for each script. So I'm just click on find, just doing that and replace. So what we need to select, that script is ending with the double quote and colon. So I'm just replacing that with a new line. Can you see that? Yeah, I'm just copying from the Notepad Plus, and make sure you select this extended so that it will replace by new line. So backslash n, yeah, which creates a new line. Replace all. So here you go. You get each line for each talk. So just take out the first character, just delete that, and you copy this entire thing. Select all and copy this. So open Excel file, which is used for many things. Very useful tool. Yeah. So open this and paste it. So here you get. So now here we need to use text to column feature, which is present in Tableau. Sorry, in Excel. So I'll be doing video on Tableau, so it came in my mind. So yeah, select the delimiter and we need to select the the select the colon. Okay, so you will get this. So you now you get to see the all the stocks listed. Now you can take and have you these things in your watch list, and then you can plan your trades. So this is how we can get the list of stocks which are used in bracket order in Zerodha. So it keeps changing depending on whenever the Zerodha plans to give leverage for few stocks, if they want to take out some stocks. So you can do this periodically when you can want to have a new list. Please follow me on Twitter, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Telegram channel and WhatsApp number. All the links are given in the below video description. Thank you for watching. I will come up with new video soon.